Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say sometimes when you go to God, ask God to do something for somebody, God I give you the job to do it, and Him will give you everything, all of the power where you need to do what Him tell you to do. Mhm. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 14 from verse 1 to verse 21. That time there, Herod will rule over Galilee, hear about the sitting them where Jesus did a do. And so he said to him servant them say, a John the Baptist this year, him dead and come back alive. And sake of this, him have power in him for work miracle. Cause Herod did arrest John, chain him up, and dash him in a prison, sake of Herodias, where did married one time to him brother Philip. John did tell Herod over and over, say, it not right for you married Herodias. You broke the law. Even though Herod did want kill John, him did afraid of the people them, cause them did take John for one profit. But at Herod's birthday party, Herodias' daughter did dance for Herod and he guessed them. And that did make him happy. Him did so happy, he make one promise and swear saying we give her anything she want. Her mother push her for say, give me John the Baptist head pan one plate. The king did sorry when him hear that. But Kaim did make big promise in front of him guess them. Him tell them figure what she asked for. So him send and make them cut off John head in the prison. Then bring him head pan one plate, give the little girl, and she take it give her mother. Then John follow them, come take the body and go bury it, and then go tell Jesus. Now, when Jesus hear this, he take one boat and go under the quiet. In go which part nobody named there. But when the people them find that out, them left for them town and walk go which part him there. When Jesus come out of the boat, him see the heap of people them and did feel sorry for them. And he make all of who did sick for them get back better. When it did catch evening, his special follower them go to him and say, nobody no live here so. And it'll get later now. Send with the people them so they can go in a town them when near you so and buy something for nyam. But Jesus answered them say, they no need for go away. Oh no, give them sitting for nyam. Them said to him say, a only 5 bread and 2 fish we have here so you know. Bring them come give me. Jesus said to them. Then he tell the people them to go sit down on the grass. He take the 5 bread and 2 fish and he look up in the sky. Give thanks and broke up the bread them. Him give him follower them and them take it, give the people them. Everybody yam till them belly full. And Jesus followed them, take up what left over, and full up 12 baskets. About 5,000 man did yam food. And we now count woman and picnic. And God wrote this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.